My name is Otieno from Kenya. Sometimes I've stayed committed for a long time in serving people through my work, continuously improving myself every day. I committed with customers solving problem and learn new skills like digital marketing and customer service without formal training. Even when process is low, progress is low, I keep showing up because consistently is build trust and character. That's why I want to join Savills Upload. I'm ready to commit for a full year, learn from other young leaders and use what I gain to create positive impact in my community.